Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Madunyiswe uJesu Kristo. Madunyiswe uJesu Kristo. Siyakhuleka kuwe Kristo, siyakubonga. Nkulunkulu mana uselekelele. Thando zami nginenkonzo engifuna ukuhlala kuyona. Ngifisa ukubuka uma uJohannes eqala le ndaba yokuhlupheka kaJesu thobhala kahle. uJesu uthatha abafundi bakhe uyongena ensimini etholakala eKidron. Uma engena kule nsimu uJudas owayezomkhaphela naye wayazi le ndawo uJesu angena kuyona, futhi wayefuna ukuyohlangana noJesu nabafundi bakhe. Kodwa uJudas akakwazi ukungena yedwa, uyolanda amasosha, uyolanda abantu abaphethe ikhali, uyolanda abantu abaphethe amakhandlela, uyolanda abantu azongena nabo ensimini khona ezokwazi ukubonana noJesu. Kodwa kunenkonzo engifuna ukuhlala kuyona mangilalela leli ivangeli lika Johannes chapter 19. Kuyavuka kumina inkonzo ka Exodus chapter 2 kanye no chapter 3. Uthobhala kahle ku chapter 2 uJehova uthe sekwenze konke ku chapter 1, kodwa chapter 2 kunenkonzo aqala ngayo uma eyodala insimu yase-Edeni. Maqedane ebese dala umuntu athi ngifuna ukumfaka kule nsimu. Kule nsimu ayikho into ezodingwa umuntu engekho, ayikho into ebengaphilisa umuntu angeke ayithole, ayikho into ebingajabulisa umuntu angeke ayithole. And so uNkulunkulu udala insimu maqedane wayisebeka umuntu. Safuna ukuhlala enkonzweni yensimu, funa ukuhlala enkonzweni yensimu engithi uNkulunkulu uthe mayenza kwanenhloso nenjongo. Athi obhala kahle encwadini kaJeremiya athi behold, I know the plans I have for you. Safuna ukuhlala ngithi ake uyincinze uyibuza ukuthi yashonaphi insimu yami. Akamdalanga umuntu before or after wadala insimu, then wadala umuntu. Wathi ayidala insimu wayinayo yonke into, athi lesi sidalwa sizofitha la. Ayikho into eyayisensimini that was never meant for the muntu. Sustenance was there, blessing was there, healing was there, forgiveness was there, companionship was there. Ipheya kinsimu. Khona into uNkulunkulu ayenzayo. And this is for you. Athi makhuluma kuJobe athi icebe nalo ngawe, athi ngeshintsha umuntu. Nawe ukaba ukwazi ukushintsha, nabakwenda bashintshi. Khona izinto uNkulunkulu amesenza athi akekho. So njalo ngelinye ilanga chapter 4 kuGenesis uma sebuka indaba kaKhayino Abeli ebesethi Khayini athi ngiyakusungeza, athi ngiyaprotecta, angabi khona namunye oyokubulala. uNkulunkulu kunika izinto maqedane he protects you. So nephi yakhe insimu iphi lahlekephi. Ungibona ngitshe into zami zasala entsimini. Konke that was meant for my life kusensimini. Uyangithinta umntaka Maria umese enakulethaba ku chapter 19 ngoba kuzo zonke izinto nakuzo zonke indawo abekhaya kusona akabiselwanga akabulalelwanga akadonswanga akalahlwanga kwisinagoga. Indaba yona ngale nsimini hathi Lucas mexoxa hathi wangena entabeni yemnqumo maqethana wayokhuleka hathi ekukhulekeni kwakhe hathi umjuluko waphenduka igazi. Hathi wabhala kahle encwadini esilile athi wena sawusithile athi baleka athi embhoshobheni athi baqedane basiyokasha ukuJesu esondele entsimini athi wabhala kahle bese bacelile abangani bakhe athi mfowethu angikhulekise athi mfowethu awuhlale nami athi amadoda athi umoya uyafuna athi kodwa ngiyahluleka athi ngiyafisa kodwa ngisakwazi ukwenzela khona izinto ezithandwa sami noma ngathiwa ngikuthanda kangakanani noma ngathiwa ngikukhonze kangakanani noma ngathiwa ingane yami noma ngathiwa umzali wami kodwa khona ngengikwazi ukusenzela khona ngengikwazi ukuthi ngikwenzele ngoba kuyisabelo sami ngedwa. So khona inkonzo yasensimini athi uNkulunkulu lena ibhekene nawe nami athi uNkulunkulu lena fanele ilungiswe yimina nawe athi uNkulunkulu akekho omunye ozokusiza athi uNkulunkulu akekho omunye ozokubambisa athi uNkulunkulu akekho omunye ongathayisela athi late between me and you. Uthanda inkonzo yasensimini masibuyela uJenesise enkonzweni yasensimini yangihlupha lento eyenzakalayo ngoba uNkulunkulu esekwenze konke esebanike konke okuhle athi obhala kahle Genesis chapter 3 verse 8 lithi zilika uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu wayivama ukwehla ezenzweni nasemhlabeni maqedana angena entsimini ebesehamba noAdam noEva. Wagcina nini ukuhamba noNkulunkulu? Wagcina nini ukuyiswela ubumnandi bokuba senkosini? Wagcina nini ukwazi ukuthi izulu lingengamele? Wagcina nini ukwazi ukuthi konke engikwenzayo kubusisekile emehlweni akhe? One of the worst things in life is to be so lonely and to be alone. Umhlabeleli uthi khona isikhathi esafika empilweni yami abakithi sebengilahlile nezithandwa zami sezingidubile athi bheka kuthengilele kwafika izwi lathi akusoze ngakulahla. Kodwa inkonzo engisahlala kuyona inkonzo yensimo. Kuthi uNkulunkulu behla chapter 3 verse 8 azohamba nabo. And let's catch up. uNkulunkulu mekufuna ukufika phi? uNkulunkulu meqalasa. uNkulunkulu methi sibani manukephi? Khona abantu ababuye bangihluphe emphefumulweni wami. Athi umuntu mina ngasonto kakhulu ngisamncane. Athi mina ngangiyisikhonzi sikaFatu Sibanibani kade ashona. Athi mina ngangenza ukuthi lo Sibanibani kodwa kade ashona. Bese kuyahlala enhlizweni yami mawukuthi ukawakwenza emncaneni bakho ngaditheke usumdala. Athi esabi inkonzo yokujwayela. Esabi inkonzo ukuthi ngakwenza kakhulu. How much is too much? What do you do? How do you qualify it? How do you quantify ukuthi this is too much? Too much of love, too much of forgiveness, too much of mercy. How do you know it's too much? Wazini kuzokwenzakalani ngalena kwentaba ngalena kwekhona? Ngiyithanda lenkonzo yensuku uJesu. Uthi in chapter 3 uNkulunkulu asesiqoshile entsimini asethi asambe uthi sekuvalile asakwazi ukuya ensimini. Till we come to chapter 19 uJesu ayosingenela ensimini. One of the Gospels uJesu mention, Gospel of Luke, uthi ubhala kahle uthi indwa yeyethi yaqhekeka. Sakwazi ukungena la bese sixoshwe khona, sakwazi ukuba bathandwa la bese sizilahlwa khona. Via evangelini lika Matthew chapter 5, Mark chapter 5. Uthi babemgudla bonke ebese mthinto wesifazane. Athi uJesu banongithintile. Bathi abanye ngankosi baningi abantu. Athi uJesu, this one is different because utheme ngithinta kwakhona amandla asukayo. Nothando zami ukuvinta endala kanje abakhona unqanyile izinto endala kwade kwaba khona kodwa utheme inqanyile izinto ka Maria maqedane kwavuleka sase siyakwazi ukungena la besilahlwe khona. Shumayeli lekuseni wathi igazi lika Jesu lisamanzi, wathi igazi lika Jesu lisawenza umsebenzi, wathi igazi lika Jesu lisakwazi ukuphilisa. Funa uhlale enkonzweni ukuthi uJesu uyakwazi ukungena ensimini ebese yokhokha wonke amacala neziqondo zasendulo. Jesu uyakwazi ukungena ensimini ebese yobiza bonke abantu abazilahlwa akuhlali ngoba uNkulunkulu usuku othandweyo. Kunekonsenye esibili engihluphayo. uJesu ehlele ensimini yokhuleka. Oyedwa abafundi bakhe yena uyaphuma ensimini khona umuntu othe sesizakele esazana nenkosi uJesu ebese yadideka ebese yaphuma ebese ezokuthandwa inhliziyo yakhe kanti kuzakufika ukufa esadidekile. Ngisabisa umuntu odubayo. Uduba kanjani ungena lutho? Duba kanjani samncengile uNkulunkulu? Duba kanjani ungapheleleliswa? Khona abanye abantu bathatha uNkulunkulu bamenza umngani wakhe bamkhona. Their faith is based on their moods. Duba kanjani? Angithusa uJudas. Belazi iqiniso. Uyazi indodana kaMaria, uyamazi umntaka Maria, yena ophumela ngaphandle, uyena odonsa ubumnyama, uyena odonsa ukufa, uyena odonsa zonke izinto azoyifaka ensimini madodana qede ngayo. Moya ongcwele ngiyasaba abantwana bethu. Sesambeka aka. Sesimcelile umntaka Maria. Sesilahle konke. Sokingane yothatha into engayazi izoyifaka emagcekeni. Sokingane yothatha impilo esingayifundisanga izoyenza la ekhaya. Angishaya indaba kaJudas. Judas uyalazi iqiniso. Kodwa yena obalekelayo. Judas uyakwazi ukuphila. Kodwa yena olanda ukufa. Judas uyazazi izinto kodwa ngoba unenhliziyo engatheli. Athi ubhala kahle encwadini kaLukas chapter 22 lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu uJudas waya kubapristi abakhulu wathi manginikeza yena nizongenzelani. My God, yangithusa lento ukuthi kunabantu who look at you and say you must have a price. Kuthi kunabantu abantu mabekubuka bathi wena ngakudayisa ngemali engaka, wena ngajabula ngokuthi ngawe, wena ngakuyuza ngithola ukuthi ngawe, wena ngiyazi obani abangakufuni kanje nakanje. Uzuthola abantu benza izinto engenamsebenzi just because they can. Esiyambuza ukuthi what did you gain? Matthew chapter 14. Uthi Herod made a birthday. Ntombazane yafika izodansa. Athi mntanami ufunani? Ngane gijima yekunina. Athi Herod yasamba ukufunela ikhanda. Athi umntwana banimaso lenzani ikhanda lakhe esengasekho. Athi nasekufeni ngifuna azi ukuthi ngiyohlezi nginamandla kuyena. Khona abanye abantu abakuzonda abangakufuni ubabuze ukwenzeni, nothing. Khona omunye umuzi bangawuqotha bawuqede, wenzeni umuzi wasibabani? No, they think they are better. Benzeni basuke baphakamisa ifence basuka lesijwayele. Khona ezinye izinto ezisilimazile ngenxa yabantu esibasondeze ensimini sesihleli noJesu. Khona abanye bethu silinyazwa abantu esibadonse endleleni, silinyazwa abantu abasibadabukela, silinyazwa abantu ababehamba bexakekile ngomusa wethu, samsondeza ngelinye ilanga waphenduka waba yiyoka waba yinja kuthina maqeda wasiluma. Asazwani nengane yakho, nibangani? Nibanga loyani enam adopt wangena phakathi kwakho nengane yakho. Nibanga loyani owambuka wamdabukela kanti uzofika nomuthi aniphambanisele ilahle ingane yakho amathumba akho ngomuntu ongamzalanga. Ninga abazali abalahla abantwana ngenxa yamadoda. Shiye ingane lezihlupheka. Wahamba yena wayokhetha ukuyoshada lapha wazala ezinye izingane. Khulele ngane izonto inenzonde, ashona uma, ashona umalume, ashona usibanibani, ikhulele ngane ithi ngiyangizonda nina because ukube akafika ngubabweni ngabe uma wami akangishiyanga. Krikonzo ngicakayo. Uthi mayisengena uJudasi kulensimu ungena uphethe ukhanya kodwa enhlizweni yakhe uphethe ubumnyama. Khona omunye umuntu othi mumbuka abe muhle sithi izuliki wanelihle ligcwala ibuku. Athi uSaint Paul, you must discern the spirits. Umuntu ufanele umsefe uma uzodila naye umbuka ukuthi lo muntu ngizokwazi ukuhlala naye, lo muntu ngizokwazi ukusebenzisana naye, lo muntu lokhathi uyikona in reality. Aningi abantu abalimaza abanye bafika begqoka isikhumba semfana ngaphakathi. Aningi abantu abafike bethi bayakholwa maqedane abantu mabefika ezwini laNkulunkulu nasebandleni laNkulunkulu kwaphenduka imphethu ngenxa yabo ukuthi ulimi labo libazana noNkosi uJesu. Umuntu ethi ukholwa athi ngikushiya le, athi kodwa ngalena kakholelwa kunendoda, ngalena kwale ivatho kunenkosikazi, athi ngalena kokuthi athi mina ngizokukhombisa ukuthi kuba ebese you realize izwi likaNkulunkulu alikaze lawenza umsebenzi. Athi obhala kahle encwadini yamaHebheru athi izwi kaJehova athi liskemba esibukhala indawo zonke, athi liyasika, athi izwi likaNkulunkulu ngamadoda asiqondisayo. Qondiswa yini wena? Zindali inkonzo zephasika kodwa singafani nedada engene emanzini liphume linjalo. Singafani noxa ongene emanzini aphume nensila. Asikangene ephasikeni sithi wazwamnandi ugodi laze lamnandi iphasika ebese sibuyele emuva kodwa sibuyela sibe yilokhu kade sikona. What will change? Aningi abantu ngibabuka kulamagceke bengene benza ukuthanda kwabo. Ithi kodwa usibani baniyoka amazwi uNkulunkulu empilweni yakhe, kodwa usibani baniyoka call and yet phakathi esontweni baquvile abanye imlomo, bahlinile abakhulumi, abanye esontweni abakhulumi, ababingeleli, abanye la baxabana nabanye, abanye amaphiciphici, abanye bathanda into zabantu, abanye bayayithakathela bese uthi kanti uNkulunkulu uyowenza imisebenzi. Khona umhlabeleli athi uJuda wayenamaqhinga athi waziwafe ngakholwa. Yazi inkonzo yasekhatholika ngiyithanda kodwa inkinga engiyisaba ngayo asesayikhohlwa inkonzo yensindiso. Sesayikhohlwa inkonzo yokuhlukanisa, sesayikhohlwa inkonzo yokuthi uJesu akawenza umsebenzi. Athi uPaul Paul athi isidalwa esisha. Athi khona umntwana kumina, athi kodwa ayifunayo. Athi akusakwazi ukwenza. Khona ezinye izinto ezinhle ezithandekayo, khona ezinye izinto okuyibuka uyihalele, kodwa ngenxa yokumazi yena njengenkosi nomsindisi akusakwazi ukwenza. Mama uyikholwa fanele kube nenkonzo yokunqatshelwa yokuthi okumina akasavumi ngihambe kanje, okumina akasavumi ngikhulume kanje, okumina akasavumi ngigqoke kanje. Athi ubhala kahle encwadini yamaHubo chapter 12, athi bheka sihaqwe isixuku sofakazi abahambe phambi kwethu ngelinye ilanga bosilahla ngecala uNkulunkulu. Imagine amakhehlane ezalukwazi bethi anginishiyanga ninje nemzini wami konakalaphi. Khona eminye imizi kwashona ogogo nomkhulu asisangenelani. Khona eminye imizi kwashona abazali konakala yonke into. Khona eminye imizi abantwana sebayithatha zonke izinto zadliwa kusena lutho, la ekhaya kwabuswa, la ekhaya kwakunakho konke into. Mase bebukwa labantwana, you realize they have nothing. Ngikusaba mina ukufa. Engikusaba kakhulu ngokufa mase ngifika ngale namakhehleni nasezalukwazini, mabe ngibuza umbuzo ngihluleke ukuphendula ngothini. Akho into ebuhlungu ngomuntu uma eseshona. Uyafika ufatu uzomgcoba, umuzi uyakhala umuntu kwenze njani? Bayashaya. Ubani okushaya nangu uma ngishaya uyangixosha, nangu babe ngixoshe ngishaya. Yini kwenze njani? Khiphe ngaki isigaxa. Athi ngoba lakho ngenza ukuthi nokuthi. Tuzwe indaba ukuthi uJesu usesensimini. Kodwa uletha ukufa ensimini. Mase ngiyiphethe ensimini. Uyangimangaza uJohannes, uJesu ithuna lakhe, abazi la bezolibeka khona, bayomngcwaba ensimini. My God, mayongcwatshwa ensimini uzohlala only for 3 days. Maqedane ebese enqoba ukufa, anqoba ukulahlwa kwasensimini. Mase siyobheka ithuna, sofica into esivulekile, hathi obhala kahle, thina mfunelano ophilayo kwabafileyo. Inkonzo kaGenesis chapter 3 iyaphelelisa uJesu mayesevuka athi seningabuyele ensimini, athi icala nesikweletu sekubhokhiwe. Onomunye amazi futhi omunye obengawenza lo msebenzi odlula yena. Ngiyazi inkosi enamandla, angiyazi inkosi elungisa izinto, angiyazi inkosi ogazilayo mase ichithekile. Zonke izinto ziyalungiswa, zonke ikweletu ziyakhokhwa. Ndlovukazi yezulu ayibenathi mayisibusise isivikele isikhanyisele, masinikeze amandla nomusa nothando ngoyise nendodana nomoya ocebileyo. Amen. It's quite interesting how the last 3 words of Jesus, John only reports 3 words. In chapter 19, he looks at the women who stood by him. Mary was there, his mother. Mary Magdalene was there, his friend. Mary, the wife of Cleopas, was there, his relative. And John was there. Only few women stood by Jesus. And only John among the disciples was there. The most important question, who will stand by you at the moment of death? Who will support you when you need them the most? Who will be there to tell you the truth? Who will be there to become the sound, the voice of reason? Who will be there to guide you in the darkest moment of your life? Psalm 23 Though I walk in the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for you, O God, are with me. Who does that for you? Who journeys with you? Who holds your hand? Now I'm fascinated by these women. They do and say absolutely nothing. They stand. They don't even sit. They stand by the cross. There's a difference between people who are in my circle and those who are in my corner. You can be in my circle without being in my corner. You can love me without respecting me. You can be with me without wanting me to be the best, the greatest. And yet these stand by him. And everybody else walks away. His mother is there, following patiently. It must have been one of the worst things for a mother. Helpless. And yet you love your son, your daughter. And when Mary went through, a great number of women continue to go through every day. A great number of men continue to go through every day. When they see their children being taken away from them, when they see their children being raped every day, when they see their children dying out of drugs, when they see their children becoming that which they hate the most. No mother, no father gives birth to a son who becomes absolutely useless. How do you stand with them even when they disappoint you? How do you stand with them even when they cannot be the best? And I look at Christ as he looks at Mary and as he looks at John, and he says, Mom, I'm dying. I can't do anything for you except I can give you my friend. Often at times I look at the parents and they prepare the last testament and the will, and they say, I want this to be given to so and so and this to be given to so and so, and I realize that almost all the things they are giving away are material things, and I say, what about the spiritual things? What spiritual wealth will you give to your children? NgesiZulu bengizothi mase beshawa izinto fanele babuyele kuma bathi uma thema sekonakala wagqoka lengubo wayaluza egcekeni. NgesiZulu bengizothi kuthe mase bonakala babona uma esecula leli culo maqedana izinto zashintsha. NgesiZulu bengizothi kuthe mase konakala babona uma iyongena ngilakho somba maqedana emeyiphuma izinto zenza masufile zoyaphi ingane zami.